loves, welcome back to another amazing video. It's your girl Anita, and if you're new here, in here we vlog about lifestyle, motherhood, fashion and beauty. And please subscribe to the channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you watch it and you find it interesting, and please don't forget to watch the previous videos. And we love it when people give their views in the comment section, so feel free to comment and to give your views. Tell me, what would you like to see or to watch in this channel? Okay, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So today, guys, as you can see, I have a suitcase here. This suitcase was sent to me by my mom all the way from Dubai, okay? And I'd like to unbox it with you guys and see what is in here. So without further ado, let's get into the video. It's so heavy. Right, let's... So guys, let's start with this one. Let's see what is this that she sent to us. I can see my daughter's pair of shoe. It's a doll shoe. Yeah, that's the partner. Then there's this. These are mine, of course. Then this. Then this one. These are for my sister. These are my mother's. And these ones, these are her shoes too. These are my mama's shoes, but if it fits me. Then there's this sport shoe for my daughter. This is for my mama. Okay. These are hers. Let me see what is in here. More makeup videos coming. So beautiful. This one is mine, of course. More bags. Papaya. This is my moisturizer, and I can't wait to try this one on my face and on my body. Thank you, mommy, for this one. I'll add these ones to my... Yeah, let's see how it goes. Those are her clothes, my sister's clothes. Okay, so that is what was in the bag. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed unboxing the suitcase with me. Please give this video a very big thumbs up, and please subscribe to this channel. And yeah, let's see you in my next video. Bye bye.